Hi guys, this is Sylvie and this is the design for today, and it's a story of Jesus from Matthew 25, and it's a story of the sheep and the goats, and this is how we make it. So I've cut these pieces out over here. I'll put that one up there. Cut these pieces out here and coloured them in with the background. Now this dotted line here, I'll fold down here, so give it a good fold, and this one, like that, that's that, and I'll fold this one, cut out the goats, I'll fold this one, fold it there, on that dotted line. It's not dots, is it? It's dashes. Dashy line. Down there. And down there. Now I've got this little bit to cut out, so I'll cut out. Oops. Cut out on the hard line and then fold the dotted line like that. Give it a good fold. And then open it up like a beak, and then you can score down there so it's nice and precise. Now I've put some double-sided sticky tape on here, so if I peel that piece off and stick on the goats, how are they stuck on? Down that piece. So that piece down there goes there, so that folds over comfortably like that. Now this one, I'll put some double-sided sticky tape down here, so I'll take that piece off. I've got to put that against the bottom there, left hand bit, and the edge, so put that down there like that, and secure that piece, and then put this along the bottom. I've got some double-sided sticky tape on this piece, which I can peel off, and put that one flat along there. Now I've got to try and fold it over so it gets the natural fold here, down here. So I can fold that down there and then reinforce it a bit. And then, ta-da! Your sheep and goats. Hope you had fun making that. God bless and see you next time.